Hello all, welcome to another term. I know many of you have already checked in with the class code. Congratulations, you're on top of the game. It's a pretty large class. We have about 25 to 30 students. About 15 of you have checked in. So some of you will be getting this and getting these instructions a little late because it's going to be noon when I put them up. I don't know, I guess I figure most people wait till night to do it. Maybe you're ambitious. Just kidding. So I just want to walk you through the page and what you can expect, a little of what you can expect on here. Each day I'll try to have an intro video to just tell you what, if it's odd and difficult, you know, complex instructions, I'll get on and tell you. If they're pretty straightforward, I may not have a morning introductory video, but that's what you can expect typically each morning, okay? Once you've signed in, of course, you're seeing this page for personal fitness. And on the stream, as some of you already know, this is kind of a history. It is, I'm going to move this over. It's a running history of things I've posted. That's not always in the right order. So please, if you didn't already know this, once you've logged in with the code, go to classwork. And this is where I organize everything. Now, I just posted a course schedule, some example outdoor activities, and the physical activity log that I'll be talking more about in the next couple days. So you can look at those now if you want. You'll get an idea of what it is you're supposed to be doing with them. Again, outdoor activities is just a reference for you to look at to see how it's classified. This course schedule, if you want to think about the whole term and all 8 weeks, you can look at this. Click on that, open it up, and you'll see what the plan is. And having taught this will pretty much stick to day one. Starts right here on Flipgrid. So anytime we have a discussion, anytime there's an assignment or kind of like a video blog, a vlog, you have the physical activity log, but sometimes I'm going to assign for you to tell me how you feel, how it went that day or whatnot. And all our Flipgrid topics for discussion will be linked right here. And you'll always sign in, as I've said previously on the other intro video, using your Google email. And then this video will be right here and posted as an announcement since it's just a little bit late today. All right, so that's the first thing to do today, Monday, March 30th. And hopefully by March 31, everyone will have introduced themselves on Flipgrid. You'll also see another Flipgrid topic come up through this week that you'll respond to. And you'll see that again later, but just FYI. So today, day one, is pretty straightforward. Many of you, like I said, have already started this, and I can see it, and it's great. So think about most fit person or people that you believe. This kind of exposes our thoughts on what we think fitness is. Part of the philosophy and the nature of this class is to not only just get you to think healthier, behave healthier. I want to say that there's no particular goal for me to you other than to improve. Putting forth effort and improvement are the two biggest things I'm looking for. Okay. There's no magazine cover I'm looking to attain. Some people, when they think of fit, they think of Arnold Schwarzenegger, right? Others think of these skeleton models or whatnot. Neither one of those are a healthy lifestyle. Neither one. They each had their own goals when they did that, and some media and popularity contests and whatnot decided they belong on the cover of a magazine because it's weird, because most people don't live like those two people. Anyway, so from day to day, what is personal fitness and what does it mean to be fit? Well, this is just a short little video, kind of a do now to introduce personal fitness and what it really is. Okay, so take your best guess, and I thank you for the replies. For those who want to reply in writing, you can, and then watch the video. After that, you have a good old reading assignment here. So you read the first pages. This is about 14 pages. Don't worry, a lot of big pictures, but about 7 pages. I indicate in the reading where you'll stop. It'll take notes. You can use this as a guide right here. You just click on it. It'll open right up. And so in 2 tabs, you can have the reading in 1 tab, and you can have this reading guide in the next tab. And you can answer these questions as you go. This is just for today. Again, as I've mentioned previously, you go to File, make a copy. It'll say copy of, and then you can add your name to that. All right. So after your Flipgrid introduction, come over here, watch a short video after taking your best shot at who's the most fit, and then we're just going to get into the basics of physical education and reading. No videos there. Then, after completing those notes and reading, you have a short 2-question day 1 exit ticket. And this is what's required to be done by midnight tonight for attendance. Okay? So today's pretty straightforward. There is a lecture, and I'll be posting it at the end of, well, it will be during the day. It'll probably be by 2 or 3 o'clock. This day 1 and day 2 presentation. This is just a lecture. So I'm going to pull it up here briefly, just to explain that you can read through the learning competencies. I will focus on health-related and skill-related fitness. You do not have to write all these down. All right, we'll define these elements, all these slides. If you want to take notes, these are good slides to take notes off of, all the way through slide, what this slide is, 10. Okay, to slide 10. You may take notes off of those. This is what I'll lecture on the next 2 days. Okay, when we do this, and you will, I have another document that I'll be posting that you'll follow instead of this. Alrighty, but you can look through it and get an idea of what it is we'll be doing if you'd like. You do not have to answer these quiz questions and submit them. There's a different quiz I'll be giving. But I will say, if you can answer these, okay, that would help prepare you for the test, because the test questions will probably ask, actually it will ask some of these quiz questions. Okay, so doing these for fun in your notes will help you. You can use them on the test, but you do not need to write them right now or even submit them for a grade on this assignment. This is just a PowerPoint for the notes, but I do pull this information back up when it comes to test time, and if you know the answers to these and they're in your notes, that's definitely going to help you. Okay, so I don't want to make this a long video. I just wanted to introduce the day and say welcome. Wanted to share the philosophy of personal fitness. It is personal. So you are going to be thinking about how you want to make best use of this class in the next 8 weeks. It's going to be all in all about 50-50% activity and 50% physical activity, and 50% cognitive. That is, what you can be learning about your body, muscle fitness, nutrition, and health. Okay? Let me take a deep breath. Aside from that, you're ready to go for day 1. I'll be posting another video for day 2, and we'll be set to go. Have a good one. Good to see you back.